Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the pane and protecting yourself. This reduces chips and prevents injury. Once stable, mark the white edge with a pencil, then score a continuous shallow line using a carbide glass cutter. This weakens the bond where the white frit sits. Apply steady pressure. Do not stop mid-line. After scoring, tap the scored line gently with the handle to start separation, because controlled stress lets the glass delaminate without shattering. Make sure to keep fingers clear as you work. Once the score opens, insert plastic wedges and widen the gap incrementally. This prevents sudden breaks. You then slide a thin razor or dental pick under the softened white frit and work along the line, prying small sections. This is slow but precise. Keep the angle low to avoid deeper fractures, and rotate the pane as needed for comfortable access. If adhesion resists, apply isopropyl alcohol and let it soak for 60 to 90 seconds to soften adhesives. Then resume gentle peeling. You finish by removing remaining white residue using 90% isopropyl alcohol, a fresh razor at a shallow angle, then a 600 grit pad to smooth edges. Work light to avoid scratches. Once clean, inspect edges for hairline cracks. If you see any, stop and replace the pane because tempered glass integrity matters. If sections remain stuck, apply gentle heat at 100 degrees to 120 degrees F for 30 to 60 seconds to soften adhesive, then pry it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.